Okay. Remember when I said to take ako ng ng comprehensive exam ko? I did not take my comprehensive.
Ano?
I took my boards.
Oh.
And I passed.
What? Oh my God! Totoo!
Yeah.
Meron! Oh my God! I'll brush your face! Ang pinag-ibig kita. Hindi comprehensive ako ng comprehensive. Wala ka pala yun. Congratulations! I did it! Ay ko sa'yo, oh, glory to God. Akin na nga yan, isan ko sa akin. Ay, mamaya pang pan. I'm so